Activating your gift card without a purchase.
Hello there. In this video, we'll discuss how you can activate your gift card without making a purchase. Activating a gift card is a straightforward process, but there are a few key pieces of information you'll need to provide. So, let's get started and find out what you need to do.
Gathering the required information.
The first step in activating your gift card without a purchase is to gather the necessary information. The specific details may vary depending on the issuer or retailer, but here are some common pieces of information you'll likely need. 1. Gift card number. This is a unique identification number assigned to your gift card. It is typically located on the back of the card or within the packaging. Make sure to keep your gift card handy to access this number. 2. Security code or PIN. Many gift cards have a security code or personal identification number, PIN, associated with them. This code adds an extra layer of protection and is usually required during the activation process. It can be found on the back of the card or in the packaging. 3. Expiration date. Some gift cards come with an expiration date, which indicates the last day you can use the card. This date is important to know, especially if you plan on using the card at a later time. It is typically printed on the front or back of the card. 4. Activation instructions. Different gift cards may have specific activation instructions provided by the issuer or retailer. These instructions may be included on the card itself, within the packaging, or on the issuer's website. Make sure to read and follow these instructions carefully to ensure a successful activation.
Activating your gift card.
Once you have gathered all the required information, it's time to activate your gift card. The activation process may vary depending on the issuer or retailer, but here is a general outline of what you can expect. 1. Visit the activation website. Most gift cards offer an online activation option. Start by visiting the website provided by the issuer or retailer. Look for a specific page or section dedicated to gift card activation. 2. Enter the required information. On the activation page, you will typically be asked to enter the necessary information to activate your gift card. This may include the gift card number, security code or PIN, and any additional details requested. 3. Follow the prompts. Once you have entered the required information, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the activation process. These prompts may include confirming your details, agreeing to terms and conditions, or providing any additional information as requested. 4. Confirmation and ready to use. After successfully completing the activation process, you should receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your gift card is now activated and ready to use. Keep this confirmation for future reference, as it may contain important details or instructions. Congratulations! You've learned how to activate your gift card without making a purchase. Remember to gather the necessary information, including the gift card number, security code or PIN, and expiration date. Then, visit the activation website provided by the issuer or retailer, enter the required information, and follow the prompts to complete the activation process. Once activated, you can start enjoying the benefits of your gift card. If you have any further questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to the issuer or retailer's customer support. Happy shopping!